In the fast-paced steel construction industry, managing multiple projects, resources, and budgets can quickly become overwhelming. That's where Cuscen ERP steps in, a comprehensive, all-in-one solution to streamline operations and give you a complete control over your construction process. With Cuscen ERP, you can efficiently handle every aspect of your steel construction, business from project planning to material procurement, workforce management, and financial control. The project management module is the foundation of your success. It allows you to define project phases, allocate materials and labor using the bill of quantities, BOQ, and track progress in real time, ensuring every project runs smoothly and stays on budget. Steel is the backbone of your business, and effective inventory management is essential. The material and inventory control module lets you track steel from procurement to usage, manage multiple stock locations, and automate restocking to avoid shortages. Managing labor and subcontractor is crucial to managing project timelines. Cuscen ERP's labor and subcontractor management module keeps track of hours worked, task assignments, and subcontractor agreements all in one platform. Cost control is key to profitability. The financial management module helps you monitor budgets, allocate costs to project phases, and generate real-time financial reports, ensuring that every penny is accounted for. And with mobile integration, Cuscen ERP gives you a real-time access to your project data for anywhere. Approve requests, monitor progress, and make informed decisions on the go. Cuscen ERP brings every element of your steel construction company under one powerful platform. Take your projects to the next level with total control over planning, execution, and finances. Ready to revolutionize the way you build? Contact us today to see how Cuscen ERP can transform your business.